yeah. Uyabona abantu understand, yeah. Kuthi mina nawe siyophelele kufeni. So baby, take my heart, take my soul, I'll die for you. Abantu understand, yeah. Kuthi mina nawe, we're meant for each other, yeah. Wetalibambi isandla sami, hamba nami siyoqala impilo phesheya. Ngicela ungawari isithando sami.
Honestly speaking, I wasn't planning on speaking in this vlog. It's a little bit complicated, more complicated than I thought, but I am from buying grocery refills, like I'm from refilling my grocery, and yeah guys, I'm so happy about the things that I got for myself. So I think this is gonna be like more of me showing you what is going on, the things that I bought, and maybe if I manage to decorate my room, I'm gonna show you, because when I moved in I did say I'm gonna buy a different mat, different bedding and whatnot, and an air fryer as well. So yeah, I'm happy and I hope you're happy with me. So yes guys, that's it. Let me show you guys what I got.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna back instead of see me walking out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause your thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, but we don't know how. Hey, you may not know where you're going, but I do. And all the time.
Bought something from Checkers. I bought some of the things that I left out when I was buying groceries. So we are gonna open this now.
She was a chosen one. I'll make it up to you. All of the feelings you're not showing when your river's overflowing. Swear to you, I do.
I think I told you guys that the theme of my room this year is either black or gray, so I'm gonna have to take off those pictures because they're pink. I'm still thinking about it, I haven't decided, and I have to remove those ones as well because the theme of this year is black or gray or white. You know, I don't want a lot of colors and whatnot. So today I printed out those papers, and when I get the chance I'm gonna paste it on the wall, at the same time fix my room and unbox the air fryer so that you guys can see how it looks. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Bye guys. So guys, I just finished showering right now, and I remembered something. I want to share something with you guys. The wise will take it. Yeah. So one thing that I've learned last week or 2 weeks ago, no, it's last week, from Grace Mondlana, is that you should journal what you have to do, what has to be done throughout the week, you know. And I did that for myself. I wrote down the things that I want to achieve within a week. In most cases, when you write down what you want to achieve in a month, you don't do it. You don't do all of those things because you get tired throughout the process. So I feel like when she was like, you should do a weekly planner, that is actually motivational, because each and every time when you open your journal or your weekly planner, you'll be like, oh, I still have to do this. You get motivated to do it, and then you tick it off. This done. So I had 10 things that I was supposed to do. Out of those 10 things, I did 7 things. Imagine, I did 7 things, and that is so awesome. I know that if it was a monthly planner, I would have done probably 5 or 3, because I would tell myself that I still have time to do this. I still have time to do this. So today is basically Monday, and I started my new weekly planner. And out of all of the things that I have to do, I have already done 4 of those things on a Monday. So this weekly planner, it makes you feel motivated to do all of those things so that you can tick them off as soon as possible. So you guys should consider following this strategy because it works. Trust me, like I said, the wise will hear me. The wise will definitely hear me. Bye, guys. Hi guys, so yes, I am back to my black hair, and today is basically a new day. Let me just say a new night, because it's not the same as yesterday. So my package from Shein just arrived. I am not going to show you all of the things that I got. I specifically want to show you what I got for my room, not my private things or my personal things. I want to show you guys what I got for my room. And my tripod was broken. Luckily, I had ordered 2 tripods already. They look nice. This one is the same as the old one that I had, I think. And then the other one, I don't know. I got these butterflies. Got this. And you guys call them LED lights, or is it LED? See. And yeah, tomorrow guys, we're gonna decorate my room. I feel like I've been saying tomorrow a lot of times in this video, but tomorrow for real, I promise. Tomorrow we are gonna decorate my room when I come back from campus. And don't worry about my hair looking like this. I did that, okay? And people on campus don't see me with this hairstyle. I'm always wearing my cap or my hat. When I sleep, I wear that. And when I'm on campus, but I forget my cap, I wear my hat. I make sure I wear a jersey that has a hat or a cover, whatever you guys want to call it. So let's call it a night, yeah? And also the second one. Yes, I feel like it's just repeating. Hey. Just said it. I was asking you and you said yes. So basically what they're saying is that you guys still haven't found anything yet. I feel like you guys are slow. I think I'm lost. So guys, just like I said yesterday, when I'm on campus, I wear a jersey that has a hat or yeah, whatever, so that it can hide my hair because it's scary. And I wasn't planning on vlogging on campus, but I just decided to, just to show you guys a glimpse of how my day actually is. I was planning on leaving at 2 o'clock. It's basically 2 now, and the transport already left, so meaning I have to wait for 5. So in the meantime, we're just gonna study for the test that we have on Monday.
Uyabona abantu abandastendi, kuthi mina nawe siyophelele kufeni. So baby, take my heart, take my soul.
Morning, guys. Today is actually the real day where we decorate my room. Yesterday I was so tired. I was so tired. Like, I was so tired, I don't want to lie. So today we're actually really gonna decorate my room. I feel like I've been saying tomorrow. I think this is the 5th time. I don't know. But today is finally the day. Plus, I didn't go to campus. So, yeah. This is the before. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm not even halfway done. I just started and I'm already sweating. Can you guys see? This is so beautiful.
I'll die for you. Abantu understand, yeah. Kuthi mina nawe, we remain for each other, yeah. Wetalibambi isandla sam, hamba nam, siyoqala impilo phesheya.
I started at 10 o'clock and now it's 1. I literally just finished right now at 1. And yeah, I took time because I just mopped my room again so that I don't do anything today in the morning. So yeah. Let me show you guys how it looks officially.
Yeah. Uyabona abantu understand, yeah. Kuthi mina nawe siyophelele kufeni. So baby, take my heart, take my soul, I'll die for you. Abantu understand, yeah. Kuthi mina nawe, we remain for each other, yeah. Wetalibambi isandla sam, hamba nam.
I am officially signing out of this video, guys. I am done with it. And I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. God bless you, and I am signing out.